Winterizing your RV is pretty much the same procedure for each RV. You'll first want to start by emptying out your black tank, your gray tank, your freshwater tank. Also, you want to turn your freshwater pump on and open up all of your faucets. So your hot and cold in the kitchen, bathrooms, your outdoor shower, remember to do that. So you want to drain all the water out of the coach so it's completely dry. Remember that if you do have an ice maker, you'll have to get that line off and drain that line out. Once that's done, you'll want to go to your water heater and you'll want to open up the lid and remove the drain plug for the water heater. Allow your water to drain out of the water heater. Once that water is drained, you can go ahead and replace that plug. Also, when you are draining that water heater, it's best to go inside and turn the breaker off. So this way here, during the process of coming back after your coach has been in storage, if someone accidentally puts that water heater on, it could burn that electric element out. So just go ahead and turn the breaker off until you're de-winterized and you have water in your system. After you've done the water heater, what you want to do is bypass the water heater. The reason for the bypass valve is you don't need to put antifreeze into the water heater because there's no water in it, so you'll be fine there. Once all the water is drained, go ahead and turn all the valves off, the low point drains, turn all of those valves off. If you have a whole house filter, you want to remove the whole house filter. You can just discard that because it's going to be no good if you put antifreeze in it. Once that's completed, this particular RV has a winterization valve. You turn this to winterizing. What that'll do, if you did connect fresh water hose up to this and turned it on and forgot it was winterized, it just won't put water into the system. It's like a bypass for that. Once that's all complete, then go ahead and get your antifreeze. Insert that clear tube on the freshwater pump side. Turn your water pump on, and it'll start drawing that antifreeze in. Then you're gonna go back inside your RV and do the exact same process. Turn on your hot and cold faucets until the antifreeze is coming through those lines. Once it's coming through, turn them off. Complete the process for all the faucets, again, including the outside shower. You wanna make sure there's antifreeze in that. So once the antifreeze is through the system, it's best to go and get some antifreeze and pour it down each of your sinks because you have P-traps in there. There may be some water that you didn't get out by draining it because it does set low. So go ahead and pour about 1/4 of a cup down in each P-trap drain. So that'll be your kitchen sink, bathroom sink, your shower. To de-winterize, what you'll do is you'll open up your low point drains, allow that antifreeze to run out. You want to put it in a container so it doesn't go into the ground. Once that's all drained, you go ahead and fill up your freshwater tank, connect your hose back up to the inlet side of your freshwater pump, turn on your pump, go inside, run all your faucets, hot and cold on everything, bath, kitchen, outside showers, let that antifreeze solution run out. Once that's completed, then you can come out, you can turn your water heater back off of bypass, so you'll now fill up your water heater, make sure that plug is installed so you're not leaking, obviously. Go ahead and install your fresh water filter after this process has been done, and then now you're all set to use your coach for the season.